Introduction to stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, is a key component of the autonomic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest system. It promotes relaxation, restoration, and recovery, counterbalancing the fight or flight response of the sympathetic nervous system. By activating the PNS, you can reduce stress, improve emotional well-being, enhance physical health, and foster a sense of calm and connection. Stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system involves engaging in activities that encourage relaxation, deep breathing, and a focus on the present moment. Below are proven strategies and exercises that have shown exceptional results in promoting parasympathetic activation. Please consult a medical physician before participating in any exercises. 1. Deep breathing techniques. Deep, slow breathing directly stimulates the vagus nerve, a primary pathway of the PNS. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, ensuring your belly rises. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes to promote relaxation. 2. Box breathing. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. Repeat this cycle to calm your mind and body. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR, systematically relaxes each muscle group in the body, signaling the PNS to activate. 1. Begin at your feet and tense each muscle group for 5 seconds, then release for 15 seconds. 2. Move upward through your body, including legs, abdomen, arms, and face. 3. This practice helps release physical tension and promotes a deep sense of relaxation. 3. Meditation and mindfulness, focusing on the present moment, reduces stress and enhances parasympathetic activation. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and focus on your breath or a calming mantra. Gently redirect your thoughts to the present when your mind wanders. 2. Loving kindness meditation. Visualize sending love and kindness to yourself, loved ones, and the world. This practice fosters a sense of emotional warmth and safety. 4. Yoga and gentle movement yoga integrates breath, movement, and mindfulness, which are ideal for PNS activation. 1. Focus on poses that emphasize grounding and relaxation, such as child's pose, legs up the wall, and savasana, corpse pose. 2. Combine slow, intentional movements with deep breathing to deepen the calming effect. 5. Engage in relaxing hobbies. Participating in enjoyable activities lowers stress and enhances PNS activation. 1. Examples include gardening, painting, knitting, or listening to calming music. 2. Choose activities that bring you joy and immerse yourself fully in the experience. 6. Cold exposure and vagus nerve stimulation. Cold exposure can activate the vagus nerve, boosting parasympathetic activity. 1. Cold water face. Splash. Splash your face with cold water or use a cold compress to stimulate the vagus nerve. 2. Cold showers. Gradually expose yourself to cooler water during your shower to trigger relaxation. 7. Nature immersion. Spending time in nature reduces cortisol levels and activates the PNS. 1. Take a walk in a park, forest, or near water. 2. Engage your senses by observing the colors, sounds, and smells of the natural environment. 8. Stimulate the vagus nerve. Through vocalization, humming, chanting, or singing stimulates the vagus nerve and promotes relaxation. 1. Humming. Hum a favorite tune or make a low humming sound for a few minutes. 2. Chanting or singing. Chant phrases like Om, or sing your favorite songs to engage your vocal cords and vagus nerve. 9. Massage and physical touch. Physical touch enhances the release of oxytocin and activates the PNS. 1. Self-massage or partner massage. Focus on relaxing areas such as the neck, shoulders, and hands. 2. Acupressure. Apply gentle pressure to calming points like the area between your eyebrows or the base of your skull. 10. Aromatherapy. Calming scents can trigger parasympathetic activation. 1. Use essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood. 2. Diffuse them in your space or apply diluted oils to your wrists or temples. Conclusion: stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system is a powerful way to achieve emotional balance and physical relaxation. Incorporating these evidence-based strategies into your daily routine can help you manage stress, improve resilience, and foster a sense of calm and well-being. Whether through breathwork, movement, or mindful activities, prioritizing PNS activation is a step towards a healthier and more centered life.